Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Vedant, and as you can see in the title, top 20 most amazing facts about cars you would probably don't know. So let's get going right away. The 20th fact is that we all know that Mercedes-Benz is a very luxurious company. But do you know that Mercedes-Benz first customer's daughter's name was Mercedes Jellican? Yes. You could see in the front of screen, yes, says Mercedes Jellican, and by this Mercedes name only, the Benz was added by Mercedes. So by that, Mercedes was named. So the 19th fact is very amazing. I was also very astonished by hearing it, by finding it. Okay, so what was it? Lamborghini, we all know it makes absolutely bombing supercars, but you all know that in recent times they have just launched an Urus, which were Lamborghini was calling the first SUV, and many people were also knowing that it was Lamborghini's first SUV, but it is not at all a truth. At the back times in 1990s, Lamborghini had made one SUV, and that was absolutely boom. But it was just understated in looks. You could check it out. Yes. See, it's a Lamborghini SUV. It just looks like a Jeep, but still it's a Lamborghini SUV. You could see. So rad does it looks. You could see. And another amazing fact about this car, that inside the hood lies a hilarious V12 12-cylinder engine at that time, and you could see the interiors was also very understated. Basically this car was made for the military at that time, but Lamborghini has sold some pieces for the production also, but it didn't sold well. But still it was the hilarious SUV at that time. A V12 in that time was the first. You could see, so hilarious does it looks. It looks in proper SUV. We all know that Toyota makes very reliable car. It could even sold without an engine. Jokes apart, but still, do you know that Toyota logo? Yes, that Toyota logo itself names the whole Toyota badging. How? Just check it out. See. Oh, it's you could see her whole Toyota logo is representing the name of Toyota. So amazing and so neatly designed also. Fact number 17. We all know that Rolls-Royce car has the benchmark of luxuriousness. There even a single car sold at the price of 5-6 crores. But do you know that the coach line from the sides of Rolls-Royce are made from a single man? His name is Mark Coates, and he lives in England at the main part of Rolls-Royce. And if you order a Rolls-Royce and makes the coach line in it, then that single person does coach line in every Rolls-Royce cars in world. Means he's the only person to make that coach lines. His name is Mark Coates. You could see. Fact number 16. We all know that the most fastest car in this world is a Bugatti Chiron, but it is not at all a truth. The fastest car in world is Thrust SSC. Yes, you are saying it right. Thrust SSC. It was just a jet-powered car, which is powered by 4 V12 Rolls-Royce powered, and it was producing colossal 16,000 horsepower. You could see, so hilarious does it looks, and it was reached at the topest speed of 14,000 kilometers on road. That record was made in the desert, but still it's the fastest production car. No one can buy it, but still it's the fastest car to be practical enough. Fact number 15. Now it's a very proudful to be an Indian, so मैं ये fact हिंदी में बताने वाला हूँ. ये हमारे रतन टाटा, जो टाटा मोटर्स के ओनर हैं, उनके साथ हुआ था जब उन्होंने टाटा मोटर्स की पहली कार लॉन्च की थी, टाटा इंडिका. इट वॉज इन टोटल फेलियर फॉर द इंडियन मार्केट्स. मतलब कोई भी लोग उसे लेने को पसंद नहीं कर रहे थे, कोई भी लोग, और वो टोटल फेलियर गई थी। तो फिर सारे प्रोडक्शन आर्टिस्ट ने ये कहा कि आप इस कंपनी को बेच दो, यानी टाटा मोटर्स को बेच दो। तो रतन टाटा जी अमेरिका गए और उन्होंने एक बिजनेसमैन से कहा कि क्या आप हमारी कंपनी खरीदना चाहेंगे क्या। तो फिर उस बिजनेसमैन ने हमारी इंसल्ट करके कहा कि ये कंपनी तुम्हें खड़ी करने ही नहीं चाहिए थी, देखो अभी कितना टोटल फेलियर हुआ है तुम्हारा। तो फिर ये रतन टाटा जी को बहुत बुरा लगा, इसलिए वो कंपनी को बिना बेचे ही वापस इंडिया आए। उन्होंने बहुत हार्डवर्क किया, बहुत मेहनत की, एंड द रिजल्ट नाउ two British automotive companies which are very famous known as Land Rover and Jaguar are owned by Tata. So proudful. This fun fact is about Bugatti. You all know that Bugatti are the benchmark of super sportness. But which is the cheapest car in the Bugatti range? It is Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti Chiron is priced till 17 crores. How is it cheap? But still it's the baby Bugatti. And if you want to know which is the most expensive Bugatti ever made, it is Bugatti La Voiture. Sorry if I spelled wrong, but that spelling is only quite confusing, and it is priced at an hilarious 88 crores. And another fun fact about the La Voiture is that it is the most expensive production supercar in the world, and it looks something like this. So if you see something like this on the road, you might be a luckiest person in the world. Fact number 13. Fact number 13, sorry. आपने एक कार्टून देखा होगा, सुपर स्पीडो. In it there is a car which repairs itself, but that's now truth, because Lamborghini has made a car which can repair itself. Yes, which can repair itself. So amazing. And it's a car from third millennium, but it looks awesome. And this car's name is Tenzo Millenio. You could see so hilarious does it looks. And it could repair itself. So amazing. It's very amazing fact, I have found it so hilarious fact it is. It's the fact number 12. Now that fact is about Bentley. Now Bentley's car basically starts from 4 to 5 CR, means crores. 4 to 5 crores. But Bentley has given one option, worth rupees 3 crores. Means एक ऑप्शन की चीज जो 3 करोड़ की है. 3 crores. What is it? Well, it's a clock which sits between the dashboards. 3 crore for a clock. भाई उतने में तो और एक बुगाटी बेंटली आ जाएगी. Sorry, but still it's absolutely hilarious, and it looks something like this. You could see in between these are real diamonds. For 3 crores, a single small clock. Hilarious. Fact number 11. You all know that Lamborghini makes very fast cars, and you all also know that the Urus is the one car which could carry comfortably 4 people, because it's a 4-seater and 4-door car. But do you know that before that also Lamborghini had made one car which was also 4-seater and was also 4-doored, and it was in GT, but Lamborghini never got into production. Why? It was just hilarious, and inside it was V12, and it looks something like this. You could see so hilarious as it looks. It's a 4-door coupe. So hilarious. And its name was Lamborghini Stock. Why didn't it came into production? No yaar. It was worth. It could bang on the market. Fact number 9. You all know that BMW is very comfortable car, but it owns 2 companies. Yes, 2 automotive companies. Which are these? Well, it's Mini and Rolls-Royce. Yes, Rolls-Royce is owned by BMW. That's why you could see lots of parts from BMW. Sorry for that, but you could, if you will get a chance to sit in a Rolls-Royce, you could see the infotainment system from BMW. Even the engine is from the BMW, which is the V12. which is sourced by BMW only. Fact number 8. It is again about BMW only. You all know that BMW is a benchmark. But what is the full form of BMW? It's Bavarian Motor Works, and it's in Germany company. Yes, it started from Bavarian city. That's why it was named as Bavarian Motor Works. Wow. Fact number 7. Now it's an absolutely amazing fact, huh? You heard it very interestingly. That you all know that Rolls-Royce cars are made by hand. But how much time does it takes? Well, अगर आप बिना customized car लोगे ना, so it will take for the Rolls-Royce for almost 4 to 3 months to make a car. And if you customize it, it will even take 1 year. Okay? If you will not customize any car, it will deliver in 4 to 3 months. Okay? So that's why Rolls-Royce are the benchmark of craftsmanship. But if you compare with other car companies like Toyota can make a single car in only 16 hours. Well, Rolls-Royce takes 4 months by building it only by hands. But some components are done by robots only, like painting, installing the chassis. But all other things in the Rolls-Royce are done by hand. Hilarious! Now I know why Rolls-Royce cars are so costly. But if you want to know all about detail of Rolls-Royce, you could see my another video which link is given in the description. It's about Hyundai. Well, you all know that Hyundai logo, how it looks. But what is the fact for that logo? Well, it says like this. You could see this is an original Hyundai logo, but the meaning behind this is this. Two people shaking their hands. This means friendship between the car manufacturer Hyundai and the seller of the car, means the owner and the car manufacturing, means friendship. It's the reason behind that the Hyundai logo is like that. Wasn't that awesome? So the another fact is all about BMW. Fact number 5. BMW has made a car which named BMW Vision Next 100, but it is really a 10 years, 100 years after. Why? Because it looks. I'm just going to show the photo. You could see just how does it looks. You could see a dashboard. It has a retractable steering wheel, and you could see it has alligator scale like this, means that you could never see the wheel of this car. It's just covered like this. So hilarious. Fact number 4. It's about Audi logo. Means what is the meaning behind Audi logo? The full form means a short information about Audi logo is that Auto Union. And why that 4 rings are there? Well, at the older times now, Audi were in the partnership with other 3 companies. So that's why it was named as Auto Union. And those companies were obviously Audi, DK, Horsch and Wanderay. That's why these 4 logos are there. They represent the Audi's partnership with those 3 companies. You could see it looks something like this. Sorry, the names are getting ulta pulta. Sorry for that, but another amazing fact is just so hilarious, huh? That you all know that Tata Nano is world's cheapest car. Yes, at that older time. But also Tata Nano is the most expensive golden car. Astonished? Yes. Tata Nano over the older times it was celebrating, means Ratan Tata ji was in mixture with a jeweler company, and they had given an announcement that we are making in 22 crores 23 karat gold plated with 24 diamonds and 15 karat silver car, and the result is this. You could see it's completely of gold. 22 crores. A Tata Nano. You might not scribble it. Fun fact. Fact number 2, it's very proudful for our Indians that these are the countries which use Indian car as a police vehicle and yes, military vehicle as well. Very proudful. In these countries are included like Italy, Argentina, Philippines, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, South Africa, Bhutan, and lots of countries also use other made in India vehicles. So proudful for our Indians. Fact number 1. It's very interesting. You all know that Volkswagen Group cars makes not so much cars. Means they in India only they have only in counting in hands only 6 to 5 cars in Indian markets. But Volkswagen is the most richest company, automotive company in the world. Why? Because it owns the most amount of companies. Yes, it owns 12, not 5, not 6, not 3, but 12 automotive companies. Means 12 car companies Volkswagen only singly owns. Those companies are, first is the Volkswagen Passenger, as Volkswagen car makes themselves. Second is Audi, Skoda. Skoda also comes because you could see lots of parts of Volkswagen only comes in Skoda cars. See, it is an out of Indian company of car also only. Fourth is Bentley also, and also Porsche. If you are not satisfied with it, Volkswagen also owns Lamborghini, and it also owns Ducati. It also owns MAN, which is a truck making company. It also owns Scania. So hilarious. All popular brands are basically owned by Volkswagen only. And the last company, which is just enough to prove that it was worth being in the first position, that Volkswagen also owns Bugatti. Yes, Bugatti is owned by Volkswagen, means all the activities are done only by Volkswagen. That's why Volkswagen is the most expensive and richest car company in the world. So thank you for watching my video. Yes, this video is very long, but you get worth information for this. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you could give it a like. If you don't like it, you could give it a dislike. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.